Hello, my name is Max. I'm a programmer at the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and today I'm here at the Cookstown branch in order to share a fun new program with you. The program is called Advanced Microbit Robotics, and in this advanced 6-week course, you're going to use this robot buggy kit to build and control a blinking robot with wheels. The fun part, or the advanced part of the program, is that we're actually going to program 2 separate microcontrollers to communicate with each other using radio communication so that you can control your buggy with a microbit remote control. This course starts on Tuesday, November 10th from 4:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. and will continue for 6 weeks thereafter. If this seems interesting, well, why don't we take a peek inside the kit to see what kind of stuff we'll be working with? So, I should mention, you could borrow this kit for free for the duration of the program from the library, which is great. The kit itself is based on the Kitronik Move Motor Kit, but we've added a few additional things. In addition to the motor kit, if you take the course, you'll find in this box 2 microbits, 1 servo motor, a micro USB cable, a bunch of batteries, and a AAA battery holder. And so let's take a peek. There's the Kitronik manual, which is very exciting. The micro USB cable, as promised. And then the 2 microbits. And so, of course, again, the exciting thing is that the course involves 2 microbits that you get to code and control. The buggy itself is pretty cool. You might notice it has an ultrasonic sensor on the front, meaning it can detect distance, and so you could code your robot to drive autonomously and back away from obstacles as it moves around. Just for fun, it also has 4 multicolored LED lights, as well as a buzzer on the bottom so you can, honk the horn or whatever. The 2 little wheels here are installed just like this. And then, of course, the microbit just goes in the top. So, since we have it assembled already, we might as well take it for a spin. All right, so here we have our robot buggy and our microbit remote control. So let's turn the buggy on. Plays a little chime for us and turns on its lights just to let us know that it's on. And then when we turn on our microbit battery pack for the controller, shows a little heart just to let us know that it's working. And so here's the simplest version of a robot buggy setup, where we have the microbit controller, which sends information, and the receiver, of course, attached to the buggy. The way the code is set up right now, if we press the A button, 1 motor spins there, press the B button, the other motor spins, and so when we press the A and B button, it goes in a straight line. So, of course, we'll get up to a little bit more complexity with our robot in our advanced microbit robotics course. If this is interesting to you, then definitely please head to our Biblio events page and register for the advanced microbit robotics program starting Tuesday, November 10th. Thanks so much for watching, and see you all later.